On the eve of this year's Republic Day, let me tell you about Vijayanta, the first indigenous tank of the Indian Army. Vijayanta means victorious. Initially, the production of Vijayanta was done in the United Kingdom, but later the entire production of tanks was shifted to India. Nearly 2200 Vijayanta tanks were produced till date. It served the nation from 1965 to 2008. Vijayanta was heavily used in many battlefields, such as the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, and so on. On the occasion of 72nd Republic Day, we have come up with our own RC tank. Happy Republic Day to all the makers out there. What you just saw was not just a Republic Day video, but also the next challenge for you. In this challenge, you have to build an RC tank, which will be controlled by RC blocks. You have to drive this vehicle or the tank to a point where the distance block detects its presence and sends an output to the motor driver, which will hoist the flag. For a better understanding, let's check out the Republic Day video.
Hey Pratik.
Hey fellow makers, today we are filming the Republic Day video. Let's see how we did it. So this is a tank, and it would be manually controlled by a remote control blocks. Now let's see the mechanism. So in this mechanism, the vehicle or the tank that we have built will come at this point. As the vehicle comes at this point, the IR sensor used by us will detect its presence and it will start the motor. The motor will make the flag hoist. Cool, isn't it? So to participate in this challenge, all you have to do is build the project, shoot its video and upload it on Witblox Social. All participants will be getting certificates and gift coupons. The maker with most number of likes will be getting Wi-Fi clip blocks as the grand prize. So best of luck for your challenge. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.